Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because I just got these amazing books from Flipkart to help me learn watercolor painting from beginner to advanced levels. Watercolor is a beautiful, versatile medium, but it requires patience and practice. That's why I decided to invest in learning the right techniques from structured books. This book covers everything from color mixing to brush techniques and even advanced compositions. I'll be practicing different techniques from these books and sharing my progress with you all. If you're also interested in learning watercolor, stay tuned for upcoming tutorials and experiments. Let me know in the comments if you've tried watercolor painting before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. See you in the next video.